Hi, I'm Michelle Iniguez, and this is my final project for Math 2 at Barstow Community College. For my hypothesis test, I wanted to figure out how often adults attended the gym on a weekly basis. The null hypothesis was 2. The alternative hypothesis would be not 2, so more or less. Now, I've always been personally of the mind that most people don't attend the gym too often because they're generally too busy. However, I feel as though it's kind of picked up in popularity, so we'll put in some data and see how the results pan out. With that said, I used Google Doc Forms, and I compiled 76 responses total. So from there, I copy-pasted the data from Google Docs Forms to Excel sheet. So after using Excel sheet, I found Statistics Kingdom to be a bit tricky. I had trouble navigating all the features, so instead I ended up calculating everything by hand using a pen and paper. The next step was to satisfy certain conditions to see if the test was random, independent, and normal. So then I calculated the expected frequency, which ended up being 21.43. After that, I divided and added all the observed and expected values and came up with these calculations. So the critical value at a 5% significance level and 7 degrees of freedom is 14.07. And given that the calculated chi-square stat of 80.035 is greater than the critical value of 14.07, we have sufficient evidence to reject the null hypothesis.